Aw, look who we have here. Ugly face and scar face. Perfect combination. Clap for them.
She's not ugly. And you know that. And maybe that's why you're picking on her because she's beautiful. Oh.
Did you dare to open your mouth and just speak to me like that? Huh? The next time you try it, I'll make sure you have a matching scar on the other side of your face. Idiot. Girls, let's go pack up.
We got a feast, nothing can stop me.
Hey, come back here. You're so disgusting. You're so ugly. Have you seen yourself? You look like the maid that you are and the maid that you will forever be. Driver, get me out of here.
I just wanna wake up right time.
Think. Yeah, sure. Hi, Alex. So basically, I've been waiting for this moment like forever. I really hope you like your gift. I took my time to specially find something that you love.
Thanks. I wasn't sure what to get you, but I hope you like it. It's from my heart. Happy Valentine.
I'm sorry, but I don't think I can collect this.
Wait.
Talks. I hate the way she walks, the way she laughs, the way she looks at me. I hate her so much. Can you just die, please? Can we just die? Everyone loves her. Everyone sees her, but nobody sees me. Even Alex. I have loved him for a long time now, but he doesn't even notice me. The moment she walks in, he couldn't get his eyes over. And it's because of this stupid scar. You have to deprive me of the person that I truly love. Why, Alex? Mimi, why? Why do you have to take away the one person that I truly love? Why?
Say cheese. Smile for the camera.
What are you doing?
Oh, this? Ugh, I'm just taking pictures to match the beautiful video of your wonderful